Sabi nila the area where we live was once a dump for salvage victims. Maybe that's why even sa school namin na katabi lang ng village ay may mga weird occurrences. Here is one I've experienced during my school years. Girls' toilet, 4th floor. The nearest toilet was about 3 classrooms away and kahit ihing-ihi ka na bawal tumakbo sa hallway kasi it would distract daw the other classes. So one afternoon I had to pee. I entered the last cubicle out of habit kahit na the first 4 were all vacant. The entry door to the washroom closes automatically and you will hear kapag nag-o-open or nagsasara yung pinto. So I was doing my business when my gel pen fell and rolled to the next cubicle. When I reached out for it nagulat ako nang may malaking shadow na dumaan sa ibabaw ng kamay ko palabas ng cubicle. Wala akong narinig na pumasok or lumabas ng banyo. Scared the shiz out of me. Grabbed my pen as quick as I could and finished my business. Naghugas pa rin ako ng kamay pero di ako tumingin sa salamin. Iyon na ata ang pinakamabilis na lakad na nagawa ko pabalik ng classroom. As much as I could I avoided using that restroom until I graduated. Mag-e-effort na lang ako umakyat sa 5th floor or bumaba sa 3rd floor or take sa farther restroom.